Hello everyone, want to enable and use voice chat in Mobile Legends Bang Bang to communicate better with your teammates? I'll show you how to set it up quickly. First, open Mobile Legends and head to the main lobby. Tap on the settings icon. Next, select the sound tab from the menu. Scroll down a little here, you will see the option for voice chat. Make sure it's enabled. Now join a lobby or a match. Once you are in, tap on the microphone icon on the screen to activate voice chat. You can also adjust the volume of your mic and your teammates' voices from this menu. If voice chat is not working, check your phone's microphone permissions. Go to phone settings, then apps, manage apps. Though depending on your phone model, find Mobile Legends from the list. Then permissions and ensure the microphone is allowed. Also, confirm that your internet connection is stable. Voice chat requires a good connection for clear audio. That's it. You are now ready to strategize with your team using voice chat in Mobile Legends. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.